Welcome back. Once you've chosen a provider, the next step is scheduling your first appointment. Here's what to expect when calling. Lots of questions, such as your name, date of birth, address, social security number, and insurance information. And here's some things you'll want to say. Tell them you're a new patient. Tell them your reason for calling, such as a checkup. Let them know which provider you'd like to see. Ask for days and time that fit your schedule, including weekends. Ask them for forms you can fill out ahead of time. This will save time in the waiting room. And don't forget to inquire about their cancellation policy just in case you need to reschedule. And that should do it. Now that you have an appointment, let's get ready for it. Find out how in the next video.